Good morning. Yet another field wherein always the young lawyers used to suffer, that is registration of birth and death, changing the name, date of birth with the entry already recorded by the corporation authorities. And earlier it was held that the magistrates are entitled to issue direction under Registration of Birth and Deaths Act. Later on, our Honorable High Court has said no, it's authorities order, and I hope that was also set aside as on date. That has to be looked into. Here, a case wherein you can understand the procedures, how to get improperly registered date of birth. This is AR 2024 Bombay 76. AR 2024 Bombay 76 Goa bench. Justice name was Valmiki Sa Menezes. Charles Mario Fernandez was Register of Birth and Death, Marmagova, a Municipal Council, Margova, Goa. The case was the petitioner was born at Goa at his home. So as per section 7 of the registration of Birth and Death Act, a form was filled up and it was registered the date of birth as 9/4/1982. Thereafter, some health complication was there. Therefore, mother and child was moved to hospital. Therein, the hospital authority forced him to file a Form 2. Therein, the date of birth was recorded as 26/4/1982. So, this is somewhat, he want to change that date of birth because there were two entries. And the corporation authority simply rejected. Instead of holding an inquiry under section rule 11 of the Goa registration of birth and death rules, they did not hold an inquiry. Therefore, the Honorable High Court has said regarding undertaking of the petitioner that he is willing to produce witnesses, affidavit and documents to substantiate that his earlier date of birth registered with respondent as declaring that he was born at his home to be registered. So therefore the impugned order was set aside and the authorities were directed to hold an inquiry by giving a fresh holding an inquiry as per rule 4 of rule 11 of the Goa rules. I hope you understand. The best wishes.